Background facts. Claimant plaintiff, the charters of the ship Mihalis Angelos. Defendant, the owners of the ship Mihalis Angelos. Context. The dispute centers around a charter party agreement, a contract for the hire of a ship where the vessel Mihalis Angelos was chartered for a voyage from Haiphong in North Vietnam to Europe. The charter party contained a specific clause regarding the expected readiness of the vessel to load on a certain date. Key facts. The charterers had stipulated in the contract that the ship would be ready to load cargo on July 1, 1965. The ship was not ready by the specified date due to delays. The charterers, upon discovering the vessel's inability to meet the agreed readiness date, sought to cancel the charter party, arguing that the delay constituted a breach of a condition. Arguments in the court case. Claimant's argument. The charterers argued that the expected readiness to load a clause was a condition of the contract. They maintained that the failure of the ship to be ready on the specified date entitled them to terminate the contract and seek damages. Defendant's argument. The shipowners contended that the clause regarding the readiness date was not a strict condition, but rather an intermediate term or warranty. They argued that the breach did not go to the root of the contract and thus did not justify termination by the charterers. Final outcome and legal justification. Final outcome. The court held that the expected readiness to load a date was indeed a condition of the contract. The breach of this condition by the shipowners justified the charterer's decision to cancel the contract. Legal justification. Condition versus warranty. The court differentiated between conditions and warranties in contract law. A condition is a fundamental term that goes to the root of the contract, whereas a warranty is a less crucial term. Breach of condition. Since the clause regarding the readiness to load was deemed a condition, its breach entitled the charterers to treat the contract as repudiated. Precedent in contract interpretation. The court referred to earlier case law, such as Bunch Corp v. Tradax Export SA, to emphasize that in commercial contracts, particularly those involving the shipment of goods, timely performance is often crucial, and thus such terms are typically considered conditions. Key concept implications of the case. This case reinforces the importance of clear stipulations in commercial contracts, particularly regarding timelines. It underscores that breach of a condition in a contract permits the aggrieved party to terminate the contract and seek damages. Relevant precedent cases. Bunch Corp v. Tradax Export SA, 1981, reinforces the principle that time stipulations in commercial contracts are generally conditions. Hong Kong Fur Shipping Colid v. Kawasaki Kaisen Keishalidi, 1962, differentiates between conditions, warranties, and innominate terms in contract law. Learning point. Understanding the distinction between conditions and warranties is crucial in contract law. Clear contractual terms regarding readiness and performance dates are essential in commercial agreements. The case highlights the judicial inclination to interpret timely performance clauses in commercial shipping contracts as conditions.